That might land on the house.
Wow.
The balloon.
After reviewing tape of the Canada accident, Robertson, who also serves as a pilot trainer for the FAA, says an improperly disconnected propane hose may well have started the fire.
This equipment doesn't malfunction. It has to have the human error.
Canadian authorities have not yet concluded what caused the tragedy. Robertson says he and other pilots will study the results of that investigation to make sure that it doesn't happen elsewhere. But he calls this type of tragedy extremely rare.
The reason that hot air balloon accidents are such news items is that because they hardly ever happen.
Now, Amanda, our ballooning expert, also said he was surprised that the remaining propane tanks on board this doomed hot air balloon did not explode, because he says if they would have, this accident would have been even far worse. Amanda?
Bob, I'm curious, when was the last serious hot air balloon accident here in Central Florida?
Well, we asked our expert that because, he does have association with the FAA in terms of examining other pilots, and he says there has not been a fatal ballooning accident in Central Florida since the mid-'80s, so it's been more than 20 years.
It's a pretty good record. Thank you, Bob.